Hi, it's Michelle from Movement Lesson, and if you're looking for really great little ideas that you can create your own sensory book, here are a series done by Eric Hill on Spot. But what one of my moms did was she took this and turned it into sensory books, adding textures, netting here on this little button, but each page is turned and she just added textures to it to help her child see and develop in ways visually and tactile. But these are great little ideas that you can do just to create that visual complexity that you might need for your child, especially if they're visually impaired, have a hard time staying on task. Again, macaroni glued on. See, little beads here, just enough to give a bit of depth to the books. It's a great little home project that you can do that she did. But it really doesn't take a lot to do that little extra bit for your child, especially with something like this. What I also like that you can do, which I don't have here, I am going to make, but you can take Xerox these pages and laminate, and then you can play a match. There's a lot of different ways. Isn't that great that you can have your child totally engaged with these fun little books, fun little ways to just play with the parent. This is great too if you have older children to help out their sibling. You can just have a whole craft day, and so you can get your 10-year-olds, let's say, involved in something like this. 6-year-olds, they can cut out shapes, and you can all just make great little books for your brother or sister. So there's lots of ways that you can just add a little bit to your child's interest to have them reading, learning to listen, learning how to stay still, feel around to see. Look at that. Just marvelous. Thanks for being subscribed to Movement Lesson. You learn new things every day.